Welcome to What's in the Pot. I'm your host Sean Grande, and today we're making a Trinidad holiday classic, Ponche Creme, with some Hennessy. It can also be known as Ponche De Creme or Ponche Crema. It's What's in the Pot. Thank you very much for tuning in to What's in the Pot. So first, to start this Hennessy Ponche Creme, we're going to start with 5 eggs. I'm just using 5 regular large eggs. I'm also going to be using some orange peel and some lime peel. I've peeled the skin off the orange and the lime and just minced it up because I wanted to get that nice citrus flavor that you get from the orange peel and the lime peel in the drink itself. Unlike our traditional Ponche Creme, this is a dairy-free version because a lot of people are lactose intolerant or they just don't drink a lot of dairy anymore and they've switched to almond milk or cashew milk. So I'm using a coconut condensed milk. Now it's going to give you the same taste as you'd get in a regular Ponche Creme with regular condensed milk. A little bit of that coconut flavor, so you get a little of that flavor of that coquito. But what we're going to do is we're going to be blending all this up because I want the eggs nice and fluffy. I want that the lime peel and lemon peel mixed in there, and I want it well blended with the condensed milk. Keep it nice and smooth and nice and silky. Now what we're going to do is we're going to be putting this in a bowl and we're going to start adding our other ingredients. The first set of ingredients I'm going to add is some almond milk because this is a dairy-free option. So I'm adding 2 cups of almond milk into the mixture. You can use any kind of almond milk you like. We just really want to give it that same creamy taste that you would get with milk. Sometimes cashew milk can be a little bit creamier. If you really want to try, you can use coconut milk, but that kind of changes the flavor of it. Now we're using 1 cup of Hennessy. You can use any kind of Hennessy or any kind of brandy you like. I personally like the taste of Hennessy. It gives that nice smoky flavor. You can use any kind of rum you like, Bacardi, Vat, White Oak, even Puncheon. Or you can also try using a spice rum like Captain Morgan. Now I didn't have Angostura bitters, so I'm using 1 tablespoon of this orange bitters. You can use any kind of bitters you like. And about 2 teaspoons of grated nutmeg. Now once you add the nutmeg, you want to mix everything in. I'm adding a little bit of ground cinnamon, not too much because I don't want it to overpower it. I still want to have the flavors of the orange peel, the lime peel. I want to bring out those notes and the sweetness as well. The cinnamon might overpower it a little bit too much. As I'm whisking all the ingredients in the bowl, if you don't really want to whisk it again, you can pop it back in your blender or your food processor just to give it a quick whip. Now the next thing what we want to do is we want to bottle it. I'm using a bottle I got from IKEA. They're about like $2 or $3. It's your best option if you're going to bottle this because a lot of times people may bottle it and give it for Christmas. But there you have it. That is our Trinidad Ponche Creme. It's absolutely delicious, absolutely beautiful. It reminds me of Christmas. It's kind of our Trinidadian take on eggnog. It's also a Venezuelan take on eggnog. So thank you very much for tuning in to What's in the Pot. I hope you have a safe and blessed holiday season. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with your friends and family. Peace.